As a project management expert, I've seen firsthand how crucial efficient resource management and clear financial oversight are to the success of any undertaking. Whether you're launching a new product, managing a construction project, or coordinating a marketing campaign, keeping track of income and expenses is non-negotiable. This is where robust accounting software steps in, acting as the backbone of your financial health. Among the myriad of options available, Zoho Books stands out as a user-friendly and powerful solution embraced by a diverse range of companies. But who exactly is leveraging Zoho Books to simplify their financial workflows and fuel their growth? Let's delve into the types of businesses that find this platform particularly beneficial, keeping in mind that its versatility makes it a valuable asset across numerous industries. The sweet spot: small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. Zoho Books often finds its sweet spot with small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. These businesses, often operating with lean teams and tight budgets, require accounting software that is both affordable and comprehensive. Zoho Books fits this bill perfectly, offering a scalable solution that can grow alongside the business. Startups and emerging businesses. For new ventures, managing finances efficiently from the outset is critical. Zoho Books provides an intuitive interface that allows entrepreneurs with limited accounting knowledge to handle invoicing, track expenses, and generate essential financial reports. Its affordability is a significant advantage for startups watching their bottom line closely. Imagine a small tech startup using Zoho Books to send professional invoices for their initial projects and track their development costs, giving them a clear picture of their early financial health. Growing businesses. As SMEs expand, their financial needs become more complex. Zoho Books offers the scalability to accommodate this growth, providing features like inventory management, purchase orders, and advanced reporting. A growing e-commerce business, for example, can utilize Zoho Books to manage sales invoices, track inventory levels, and analyze sales trends to make informed decisions about restocking and expansion. Industry agnosticism, a wide spectrum of users. One of the strengths of Zoho Books is its adaptability across various industries. While some accounting software is tailored to specific sectors, Zoho Books offers a broad range of features that cater to diverse business needs. Service-based businesses, consultants, freelancers, marketing agencies, and IT service providers heavily rely on accurate invoicing and time tracking. Zoho Books simplifies this process, allowing them to create professional invoices, track billable hours, and manage project expenses effectively. A web design agency, for instance, can use Zoho Books to bill clients based on project hours, track expenses related to design tools, and manage recurring subscriptions for website maintenance. Retail and e-commerce. Businesses involved in selling physical or digital goods require robust inventory management and sales tracking capabilities. Zoho Books helps them manage stock levels, generate sales invoices, track customer payments, and integrate with e-commerce platforms for seamless order processing. A small boutique clothing store can use Zoho Books to track inventory, manage sales from their physical store and online platform, and generate reports on their best-selling items. Construction and trades. Managing project costs, tracking materials, and handling subcontractor payments are crucial for construction companies and tradespeople. Zoho Books offers features like project accounting, expense tracking, and the ability to generate quotes and invoices, streamlining their financial management. A plumbing contractor can use Zoho Books to track material costs for different projects, bill clients for services rendered, and manage payments to their suppliers. Nonprofit organizations. While their financial goals differ from for-profit entities, nonprofits still require meticulous record-keeping and transparent financial reporting. Zoho Books can help them track donations, manage grants, and generate reports for stakeholders. A local charity, for example, can use Zoho Books to track donations received, manage expenses related to their programs, and generate financial reports for their board of directors. Key features that attract diverse businesses. The broad appeal of Zoho Books can be attributed to its comprehensive suite of features designed to simplify financial management, invoicing and payments, creating professional invoices, sending payment reminders, and accepting online payments are essential for any business. Zoho Books streamlines this process, improving cash flow and reducing administrative overhead. Expense tracking. Accurately recording and categorizing expenses is crucial for understanding profitability and claiming tax deductions. Zoho Books allows businesses to track expenses, attach receipts, and categorize them for easy reporting. Banking integration. Connecting bank accounts and credit cards to Zoho Books automates transaction recording and reconciliation, saving time and reducing the risk of errors. Reporting and analytics. Zoho Books offers a range of insightful reports, including profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, providing businesses with a clear understanding of their financial performance. 1. Siekapilsuchdev.com. Siekapilsuchdev.com. Inventory management. For businesses dealing with physical goods, Zoho Books helps track inventory levels, manage purchase orders, and monitor stock movements. Project accounting. This feature allows businesses to track income and expenses related to specific projects, providing valuable insights into project profitability. Multi-currency support. For businesses operating internationally, Zoho Books supports multiple currencies, simplifying transactions with overseas clients and suppliers. Collaboration. Zoho Books allows multiple users to access and work on financial data, facilitating collaboration within teams and with external accountants.